Hi everyone, welcome you back in this physics video. In today's video, we will learn about that what is magnetic dipole and how a current loop behave as a magnetic dipole and how we will find out the strength of a magnetic dipole. Okay, so for this, let us to start over here. As we are known that a magnet is having two poles. One it is north pole and while the another it is south pole. So these two poles are separated by a small gap. Okay, so this gap we are going to call it is as dipole length. It is dipole length, and these two poles they are given the name of magnetic poles. They are said to be magnetic pole. Now over here we are having there are the two magnetic poles, so therefore name is there dipole, and these dipole are separated to each other by a small gap which is dipole length over there. Okay, and therefore we are going to call it is as magnetic dipole. So what is magnetic dipole? That magnetic north and magnetic south are separated by a small gap, therefore they are known as magnetic dipole. Now over here, that when a current passes through a circular loop, so in that case the one face of this circular loop it start to behave as north pole while the other start to behave as south pole. So how we are going to know about that which face of the circular loop through which current is passing will behave as this north pole, and the other part will behave as south pole. So there we are going to use this clock rule. There we are taking the help of clock rule. So clock rule says that if we are having a circular loop and the current is passing in it, that in clockwise direction. Okay, so then we will have this face of the circular loop, it will uh, behave as साउथ पोल ऑफ अ मैग्नेट. ठीक है, तो हमारे पास क्या बोला गया क्लॉक रूल में कि अगर करंट जो है वो क्लॉकवाइज में चलता है तो वो फेस उस सर्कुलर लूप का साउथ पोल की तरह बिहेव करता है. एंड सेकंड दैट क्लॉक रूल इट इज सेड टू बी that it is anti-clockwise direction. Now the current we are taking, so here the current is going in anti-clockwise. So if the current in the circular loop is in anti-clockwise, so that phase will behave as north pole. Okay, so we get over here that when a current will pass through the circular loop, so its one phase will behave as north pole while the other will behave as south pole. So thus this current loop is going to behave as magnetic dipole. तो इसके भी हमारे पास टू पोल्स बन जाते हैं. ठीक है, नाउ ओवर हेयर हाउ डू वी फाइंड आउट द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ दिस magnetic dipole. ठीक है, so the strength of magnetic dipole that it is given by the help of magnetic dipole moment. Okay, so over here that with the help of magnetic dipole moment we finds out the strength of this magnetic dipole. So this magnetic dipole moment it is given by m. So it is used to find strength of magnetic dipole. So this will help us to know about that how much torque will act on that body if it is placed in external magnetic field. ठीक है, तो इससे हम जो टॉर्क है उसको फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं जो उस पे एक्ट करेगा when it is placed in external magnetic field. Now over here let us suppose that we are having a circular loop. ये हमने एक सर्कुलर लूप कंसिडर किया एंड लेट देयर इट इज द करंट विच इज पासिंग थ्रू इट, इट इज ए सॉरी इट इज आई एंड द एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन. तो इसका जो एरिया है हमारे पास दिस इज गोइंग टू बी ए. ओके, इट इज द एरिया ऑफ दैट सर्कुलर लूप. सो नाउ दैट this magnetic dipole moment in scalar form it is given by the product of current and the area of cross section of that circular loop. Okay, so this is that formula of calculation for magnetic dipole moment. Now this magnetic dipole moment, it is also a scalar sorry, it is also a vector quantity. Okay, that we are taking over here, that magnetic dipole moment is also a vector quantity. Now if it is a vector quantity, so it means that this will have a direction. ठीक है, तो इसकी डायरेक्शन भी होगी. So what will be the direction of this? So in vector form, this magnetic dipole moment, it is written over here I a vector, as current is a scalar quantity. So over here that magnetic dipole moment is a vector quantity and its direction will be same as that of area vector. Okay, so it means that the direction which is area vector is having, so that will give us the direction of magnetic dipole moment. Now the question is there, how we will find out this then? So to find out the direction, we are using right hand thumb rule to find direction of this magnetic dipole moment. We use this right hand thumb rule. Right hand thumb rule. Now what is this right hand thumb rule? So right hand thumb rule says over here that, let us suppose this is the circular loop, and in this circular loop we are supposing that the current is going in anti-clockwise. Okay, so according to this right hand thumb rule, that you have to curl your finger in the direction of current. Okay, what you have to do, you have to curl your finger in the direction of the current in that loop. So the thumb, the direction in which it will point out, so that will be the direction of magnetic dipole moment. Okay, so over here, that curl your finger in direction of current in circular loop. So thumb will give direction of magnetic dipole moment. Now over here that as we are known with one thing, कि ये जो मैग्नेटिक डायपोल मोमेंट है उसकी वही डायरेक्शन होती है जो एरिया वेक्टर की होती है. ठीक है, तो इसलिए हमारे पास जो एरिया वेक्टर की डायरेक्शन है वो कौन डिसाइड करेगा? दिस विल बी डिसाइडेड बाय दैट करंट इन द लूप. ठीक है, तो जिस तरफ करंट जो है उस लूप के अंदर होगा, यू हैव टू कर्ल योर फिंगर and the perpendicular on that loop will give you the direction of area vector, and that magnetic dipole moment will also be in that same direction. ठीक है, तो इसलिए जो इसका एरिया वेक्टर होगा दैट विल बी, तो यहाँ पर मैं इसके सेंटर से ये परपेंडिकुलरली आउटवर्ड शो कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एंड that it is the direction of area vector. Okay, so thus we come to know over here ki what is magnetic dipole, and thereafter how a current carrying loop behave as a magnetic dipole, and what is magnetic dipole moment, and how do we find out the direction of a magnetic dipole moment. So important to note, how do we find out the direction of this area vector? So there it is very simple कि हमारे पास जो एरिया वेक्टर है और जो मैग्नेटिक डायपोल मोमेंट है वो दोनों सेम डायरेक्शन में आते हैं. ठीक है, तो इसलिए जिस डायरेक्शन में करंट है आपकी फिंगर कर्ल होनी चाहिए उस डायरेक्शन में. ठीक है, तो जो थंब होगा दैट विल पॉइंट आउट in the direction of area vector. Okay, so that's all from my today's video. And one last important thing, that it is regarding to what the unit we will use for its measurement. तो मैग्नेटिक डायपोल मोमेंट के लिए करंट हमारे पास एम्पियर में और एरिया हमारे पास मीटर स्क्वायर में, तो इसलिए हमारे पास बन गया जो एम्पियर मीटर स्क्वायर. ओके, दिस इज द SI unit for this magnetic dipole moment. Okay, thanks for watching this video.